Hello guys, hello viewers. Welcome again to Father K's channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share this video. Yes, share this video. Subscription is free, right? So on today's video, I will be showing you on how you can do a short course with WHO and earn a certificate. Yes, you can do a course with WHO and got a certificate. Courses like Marburg, Ebola, coronavirus. So with these courses, you can earn a certificate, right? You can earn a certificate. So with this certificate, it's well an authentic certificate. It have an IQ scan. When you have this certificate, when you scan it, all your information, your picture and your details will be on the certificate. Do you want to do the course? Let's go down to it. So come to your browser, Google Chrome, enter open WHO. Open WHO. Okay. When you come to open WHO, you will see open WHO courses. Okay, you click open WHO course certificate. Then you come down, you will see courses, right? You open the courses, the site. Okay, when you are in the site, then you come to sign in or log in. For me, I already have an account with WHO and I have done series of courses on WHO. Then you come to create new account. Then you come to create new account. Okay, so now here you will enter your name. For me, I will say Joshua A, which is Alpha, and Toure. Okay, that's my full name I want to use in this certificate. Then my email, then password. You repeat the password. Then you go to registration for WHO. You click it, then it will open and come to this site. As for me, I already have an account. So it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, sorry. It will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard will open. So let's see the president of WHO, what he's saying here.
Dear colleagues and friends and members of the Open WHO community, thank you for joining WHO's online courses for pandemics, epidemics, and public health. Learning saves lives. That's why 5 years ago, WHO set out to create a learning platform that breaks down as many barriers to access as possible. It was designed to anticipate needs during health emergencies with free courses in multiple formats and languages. So openwho.org was born. This platform has been a critical source of learning in outbreaks from Ebola to plague, diphtheria, COVID-19, and many others. We scaled up dramatically during the pandemic. OpenWHO is now approaching 7 million enrollments across 155 courses on key public health topics in 64 languages. That's a record.
So for save time, so this is the president of WHO. His address for you to do a course in WHO. So when you open the site, you will see a lot of endemic and pandemic courses. So you will click on it and it's free. You can't pay anything. You just participate, take your courses. You have your quiz. When you qualify for the quiz, they will give you a certificate. So these are the causes WHO offer: Ebola, even Lassa fever, you name it. So when you come here, you will see a lot of causes, right? So let's come to causes, all causes, so that you will see, okay, these are the causes. These are the causes WHO offer, and there are more. They always update you on your email when there is a new cause, right? So you do this course for free, you have your certificate with WHO. So I will show you an example of some of my certificates, and with WHO I will show you some certificates. So these courses are purely for healthcare workers, or if you are planning to become a healthcare worker, you can do these courses. You can come to the site, it's free of cost, you don't pay any fee, you don't pay no registration. So these are the courses. There are a lot of courses, right? So when you come here, let's go to download certificate, because I have some certificates which I acquired from WHO, right? So WHO site is openwho.org. So here, let's come to my gallery, let's see some of my certificates. So these are some of the certificates, WHO certificate. So go there and do your own course now. So it's good. There are a lot of courses, some pandemic courses, endemic courses. You just check the site, go and open a new account to do your courses with WHO. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, subscription is free. YouTube has already changed their subscription button from red to white. Don't be scared or don't be difficult when you meet the subscription button is white, right? So I love you all. I will be coming with more educational movies here, right? So thank you very much, guys.